In my experience, azelaic and thiamidol, not a great combination for melasma. I honestly didn't see results with thiamidol at all. And yes, I used it 4 or 5 times a day. Melasma is not a one ingredient kind of thing. It's really about using the right things at the right time. It's about using the correct active ingredients that have actually been clinically proven and made for your type of skin, for melasma. It's about stabilizing skin first and then working to correct that pigmentation. I understand that you're using a rice toner, but it's not enough. Don't get me started on the snail mucin. A lot of people get confused with my melasma system. My melasma system is the same system that got rid of all of my pigmentation after having it for 10 years in 6 months. And that comes down to a very carefully formulated system. This system does two things. It stabilizes pigmentation and melasma first and then works on correction. This doesn't mean that you need 10 different products. I feel like some skincare products, some skincare brands are lazy formulators. And I guess because I've had melasma for a really long time, I'm pretty firm on keeping things to 2 or 3 steps. Our system is 3 steps in the morning and 3 steps in the evening. Basically what we're doing, we're cleansing, then applying my Mela peel. I'm gonna drop the ingredients below and you'll see from this one micro peel, you have your barrier correcting, your barrier stabilizing, your calming down, your reducing inflammation ingredients alongside your corrective ingredients. And then we have our brightening complex. This is the key player. And again, I'll drop the ingredients down below. You'll see that yes, we have 1% for NBR. This is the ingredient that is stronger than hydroquinone. This is the ingredient that has been clinically proven to fade pigmentation, even melasma, in just 8 weeks. But it's not the only ingredient in there. We still need to downregulate melanin, to calm down your skin, to reduce inflammation, fade, brighten, and lift that pigment. So we're evening out the entire skin tone without bleaching, without stripping skin, without doing anything nasty to our skin. So that's step 2. You would then apply your sunscreen. And then the evening, the only difference is you're not using sunscreen, but you're going to use our Mela Bright Serum or our Glow Cream. The reason why we use this in the nighttime is because it has glycolic acid. So glycolic acid is going to help lift that pigmentation, refine skin, but you will see from the ingredients again, we're still stabilizing skin. It's not just what glycolic, see from the ingredients below that we still have our nourishing, our barrier repairing, our inflammation calming, our melanin down regulating ingredients. Every single product stabilizes skin first and then works to correct. These have been very carefully formulated to stabilize and correct. And I know that I'm probably going on about the stability, but the stability is so important because this is what actually stops rebound, what makes results stay, stops your melasma from getting worse, and allows you to actually get rid of that pigmentation. 3 steps in the morning, 3 steps in the evening, not difficult. Every single person who follows this routine sees results, even if they've had melasma for over 10 years. Even if they've done laser, hydroquinone, tretinoin, all those things, a lot of our customers do not see results until they use my melasma system, simply because of the way that we formulate it. So to read more about this one, hit the link in my bio. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below.